Hi everyone, my name's Janine Wood and I am the chairperson of No Limits Perth. We started 5 years ago, myself and 2 police officers, where we saw a need in the community and we just wanted to reach out and do something about what we could see. And so we involved the community and started doing a call out, and 5 years down the track, here we are. So really recently we've just moved into our new premises in Wangara. Part of it was this unit where I'm standing in, which was brought to us by Focus Shopfit, and our offices are upstairs, which are kindly donated to us by Aries Rail. One of the main focuses we do is that we supply people furniture when they're starting over from scratch. So that's whether it's somebody that's just come out of domestic violence, whether it's somebody that's perhaps had to move in from the country because their children are sick and they have to start a new home. It could be you've lost your house in a fire. That's where we come in. So we do all house fitting or furnishings as such. Absolutely anything you can think of, from toilet paper down to the curtains. We've got 2 food distributions that we do every week on a Monday and a Wednesday. And this food comes directly to us from Oz Harvest. Our volunteers then sort it into boxes and then we distribute it to a number of families in our community. In the end, it's one random act of kindness at a time.